What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So I'm in a Target parking lot here in Novato. Waiting for my cousin to arrive. I'm supposed to join them in a group ride. I've never really ridden here. I don't know if it's the same as riding in Marin County. I think it's the same thing. I don't know what route they're gonna take. I'm just gonna follow. So I don't know if I'm gonna make any video out of this, but maybe I am. Maybe a ride along. I had brought my GoPro just because I never really ride around here, so maybe I should just record something. So I'm taking the GSA today. I was actually debating if I was gonna take the Super Duke. So I had to change parking spot because people started to park right next to me for some reason. So anyway, I was gonna say I was thinking about bringing in the Super Duke today, but I had a lot of stuff. I brought a lot of stuff because it's a long day of riding. I don't want to be carrying everything on my backpack on my back, so I just made a decision to just bring the GSA. I need to put some more miles on the Super Duke, which is why I'm thinking about bringing that, but good thing I didn't, because there's a lot of crosswinds today on the way here, and man, it would have been brutal on the Super Duke, even though it had heated grips and comfort seat and cruise control. It was still gonna be like torture. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff. I have my camera with me, food, water, bike, motorcycle recovery stuff, like tire servicing stuff, like if I get a flat, I have fix a flat, air compressor, all that stuff. So I'm ready to go if I ever, granted, if I can repair the tires, but I got everything I need. That's why I love this bike. So anyway, that's it. Just a little intro. I don't know, we'll see if this goes anywhere. I'm kind of excited and see. I've never really ridden around here, so alright guys, see you in a little bit. Groups, not that big. My cousin's friends. I'll follow you guys. I'll be behind. Alright guys, this is the beginning of the ride. I'm actually recording too. Recording my GoPro. Right. No, I'm not. I'm just I have my GoPro on with my microphone. Yeah. You know that doing that doesn't do anything. Don't do that. No. What warms up your tire is stopping and accelerating and braking. That causes the friction. That's just science. Doing that doesn't do anything. You just look dumb. Look at these houses. Imagine if you lived here. On the left, that's crazy. That's crazy. Just like if you lived here, that's so nice. It's so peaceful. It's so peaceful. Multistrada. I guess this is the curvy road. People actually live here. It's crazy. I wonder if they have what business they have going on here. Ooh, selling weed and shit. Growing weed. The last time we were riding to something like this, and then we went through some kind of dirt road. And it turns out it was somebody's property, and then he got hella mad. He was saying like, "You're not supposed to be here. I'm gonna call the cops," And then I said, "Why? It was a mistake. We're just gonna turn around." And then, because he was looking paranoid, very paranoid. He said, there's weed growers out here. They're gonna shoot your ass. Like I said, yeah, I didn't know. I'm just gonna go back. And the basic, I think he was paranoid because he was the one growing weed too. Like, yeah. So why are you just let us go then? Like I said, so he didn't want to let us go in the beginning, and then he wants to call the cops. It was me. Yeah. He blocked us with his Jeep. So I said, then call the cops. I said, call the cops. I said, we didn't mean to go here. Just call the cops then. I mean, let him settle it out. And then when he realized, oh shit, I should just let him go then, because then okay, just let us go. I said, don't come back. Like, okay, I mean, shit, the road wasn't marked, dude. Like, I thought it was just a dirt road. So yeah, shady shit. That was in Sonoma County. Yeah, dude. That was before the legalization of marijuana. Now it's legal, so we probably go back there now. Should have been like, I'm buying though. I just want to buy. Nice stopping point. Very windy today. Yeah, scrubber is fine too. It's fine. It's just whichever is cheaper. Both of them don't have wind protection, but it's fine. You're just riding on the street. You have to know if you really want to do this, so you don't want to spend too much in the beginning. Yeah. Some people buy an expensive ass bike and they stop riding. Oh, we're turning left. Sudden. See, it's one of those things. That's the stuff. Yeah, that's the stuff I hate. You get rear-ended. Still recording, huh? I'm still recording. Yeah. Should stop it. Just save some battery. Yeah, I'm just.
So are we splitting 32 between everybody, or does everybody get 32? How's that work?
Beautiful day.
Yes, I think.
I don't even know where we are. Where are we now?
Russian River Brewery. That's where we are, stopping for get some eat. Alright, you guys. So I guess we can consider this a post-ride kind of closing, because I forgot to close the other video after that ride because it was just such a long day. I was just riding all day. So I'm gonna try my best to close it out. So now we are here. This is the vicious cycle. We ride the bike, dirty it up, clean it, and ride it again. So I really enjoy it, so I don't really care. So anyway, my thoughts. So that ride, I didn't expect it to be somewhat of a fast-paced ride. I think I'm gonna insert clips here and there. I don't know how I'm gonna build this video, but I guess because my cousin is new, so I was merely mainly there for him, so I didn't want to like leave him behind. So I know I wasn't aware of the area in the beginning, like I mentioned on the beginning of the video. I wasn't aware, but it kind of connected to places where I was familiar with, so I kind of just like, oh, I know where this is. So I got familiar with some of the parts, so I just started to ride fast. And then I realized I don't want to leave him behind because that's his first group ride and first long ride. So he basically just, it's just all in one. So, but he's not a fresh new rider. He's ridden before. It's just not in that kind of scale. So yeah, I was there mainly for him. So I just wanted to be supportive, and always I was connected to his comms, so I was guiding him in terms of what to do in certain situations. But it's hard to not be tempted to just go all out because there's other guys on the group ride that's going after it, on the corners, and this bike makes it feel really good to chase sport bikes. So actually what I discovered was having the side cases. I mean, I think I already knew this, but I'll say it again. With the side cases, I feel more confident throwing it on the corners for some reason. The top case kind of hinders me for some reason. I feel like it's hindering the side to side movement of the bike, but the side cases kind of make it easier to throw. So maybe because I always felt like the GSA is front heavy because of all the big chunks over here, but not much on the rear end. So I always kind of feel a little bit weird without anything on the back there. So that's why I brought the side cases. So, and I was right. So when I do attack the corners, I feel more confident about the rear with the side cases on. So there's that. I guess from now on I'll just be I wish I could, if I was gonna ride it to the track someday, I would put the side cases on. It would be much nicer, but you are heavier, so there's that too. Yeah, so we are washing. You guys have seen how I washed the bike before, so I'm just gonna go through it. I don't need to explain it twice. Anyway, what else is there? I was debating, like I said, I was debating bringing the Super Duke, but good thing I didn't, because it was I mentioned it also in the beginning of the video. It was super windy, and carrying all the gear that I had, all the water and all that stuff, the Super Duke wasn't outfitted for bringing all those things. So yeah, I'm just glad that I made that decision. I was really 50-50. It's a toss-up. I was about to bring the Super Duke, and good thing I didn't. Yeah, it's pretty much it for me. Yeah, I mean, his bike, the Sportster S, not bad. It's kind of, I would consider it a city bike. It's not really it's not outfitted right now for long rides like that, because there's nothing to put anything on. Like, you can't have bags on it. You probably can, but I don't see anything substantial that you can bring on the bike with you. You have to carry a backpack. Also, the suspension travel of it is very limited. No windshield. So it's just, I don't know. I think it's a city bike, even though it has a 1250cc engine from the Pan America adventure bike, but detuned. So yeah, Harley stuff. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I just wanted to close this video out. Rewashing the bike. I actually had to wash all these vehicles because I haven't washed it in a long time, so I don't want to bore you guys out with that. Just closing this video out. And if you guys watch this video, thank you guys for watching and stopping by, and I'll see you guys on the next one.